how you doing? Pat here with Pat's Rides. I'm in central Ohio in the middle of nowhere right now, on my way to Cave Creek Campground in Kentucky, over by Mammoth Cave, I believe it is. Stick around, stay tuned, and let's see what this day's adventure has in store for us. I find myself in downtown London, Ohio, that is. I like the mural. Check out the old buildings. Oh, look at that courthouse. And a train. 62 Classics Diner was brunch today. Hopefully give you a good view like this. In the town of Hillsboro, check that thing out. That's pretty cool. There we are in the heart of Hillsboro, Ohio. Good old downtown. Never been here before, I don't believe. It's located on US 62 and US 50 by the looks of that sign. Bella's Opera House, wow. And this is why you should travel the back roads as much as possible. You don't get to see this from the interstate. Well, here it is, August 2020, and my first time crossing the Ohio River, and my first time back in Kentucky in a few years. Well, no, you know what? No. I take that back. I was in Kentucky in August of last year, so yeah, my first trip to Kentucky in a year. It was my first multi-state trip on this new BMW. Yeah, with all the COVID restrictions and everything else going on, travel this year has been virtually impossible for me. Okay, welcome to Kentucky. I'll check back in a little later. I am somewhere in Kentucky right now. As you can see, I'm on this just little backcountry road, and the reason I took it, there's supposed to be a covered bridge somewhere on this road. At least that's what the sign back there said. Maybe we can find it. I thought I just saw the covered bridge. Where all these headlights are, maybe? Yep, that's the covered bridge, alright. Oh, group of riders. Gotta love that. No sense getting in a hurry. Might as well enjoy it. I'm here all by myself, right? And a parking area to take some pictures. Yay! imagine the amount of work it took to make these fences, for lack of a better word? I'm not really sure what town I'm in right now. I think I'm near Louisville or Lexington, maybe Lexington, maybe? I'm not sure. Kentucky. But look at the history in these buildings. Rose Opera House. Guess I'm supposed to turn here, I think. Well, if this is Frogtown Road, I wonder what Frogtown looks like. Same road. Still haven't seen any Frogtown though. But man, isn't this nice? Well, I'm off Frogtown. Now I'm on Cotton Lane, and I never did see a Frogtown. That's too bad. Oh yay, a metal grate bridge. Woohoo! What every motorcycle rider loves. Red tail. This because of a breakdown? Jeez. Well, there's Fort Knox. Went to let me make it withdraw. Never seen that before. Huh. Too far from Mammoth Cave, but I am heading to a campground on the other side that's, according to this, I still got 57 miles to go, which I thought it was closer than that. Kind of sucks. Kind of hungry. Mammoth Cave National Park. Someday I'm going to have to come back here and actually tour the cave. I've been here twice now and still haven't toured it. But with the whole COVID crap going on, I'm not about to attempt it right now. We're still on Mammoth Cave Parkway. This is just divine. I mean, the blacktop is brand new.
Turn left on Mammoth Cave Parkway.
I believe this is Mammoth Cave right here, I think. Alright. No, it's not. Oh, it's over there. Okay. Yep, that's Mammoth Cave if you want to go do the touristy thing. But I'm heading to the campground. How's that for a view? been over 12 hours and a good bit over 500 miles. I don't know the exact amount, but I'm almost to the campground finally. It's supposed to be the road it's on. I had a cool little route all mapped out, but somehow it didn't transfer into the GPS right, so I just started winging it, and some good, some bad. Added a buttload of miles to my trip today. Alright, I'll check back with you here in a little bit.
Thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this video. If you would, please hit the like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.